Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bone blossom. This highly sought-after crop is a fantastic way to earn significant in-game currency. Your journey begins by finding the prehistoric quest stand, usually located in the game's central hub. Once there, interact with the friendly non-player character, Blair, who will present you with a series of dino quests. These quests are your primary path to acquiring this valuable seed, so pay close attention to the task she provides. To get bone blossom quickly, focus on completing your dino quests without delay. Blair will assign 3 new quests every 12 hours, so consistent effort is key. These tasks can range from planting a certain number of seeds, like 100 carrots, to harvesting specific crops, or even aging your pets to a particular level. Successfully finishing these quests fills your weekly progress bar, bringing you closer to your ultimate reward. Your dedication to completing dino quests will pay off. To earn a bone blossom seed, you must successfully complete 21 individual quests. As you finish each set of 3, your progress bar will fill, eventually unlocking the highly coveted bone blossom seed as your final weekly prize. For those eager to acquire more, you can reset the quest track using a substantial amount of in-game currency, allowing you to repeat the process. Once you have your bone blossom seed, plant it in your garden. To ensure the fastest growth and maximize your yield, utilize sprinklers, as this crop thrives with consistent watering. Bone blossom is a multi-harvest plant, meaning it will produce 4 to 5 valuable fruits per cycle. While originally available during special events, new seeds are now primarily obtained through those saved from past events or by employing specific pet abilities, like the red fox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.